In this video, I'm going to tell you why last week I had decided to completely give up on alcohol inks. Horrible, I know. But before that, welcome. Thanks for clicking. This is SezCreate. And yeah, it's a rainy day. Okay, spoiler alert. Straight out of the gate, you see me choosing alcohol inks. You're thinking, liar! Stick with me, guys. Truly, I had decided no more alcohol inks. And the reason it seems so dumb is simply because I no longer had access to isopropyl alcohol. Anyways, this is the actress I hired for this video. Kidding, that's me. Let's get started on this painting. These are the alcohol ink swatches, the ones I chose for the background of the painting. And later on, I added this yellow. Apparently, the swatch is super hot or itchy or something. What am I even painting today? Well, I really enjoyed the style I had done in my previous video, which was basically testing out if I can put alcohol inks in the background, which is what you see me doing in the video right now, and then later apply acrylic details on top. I thought it turned out well the first time. It was really fun, trying something different too, different from what I'd been doing before. So, hey, I wanted to give it another shot. Go ahead and check out that video later on after you watch this video, but I'll link that in the description box. In that video, I had done pine trees on top of the alcohol inks. So today I thought I'd go with a mountain theme. Actually, it was my sister who suggested I try painting a mountain range, and my first reaction was, how dare you? You aren't an artiste. No. At first I was thinking, actually I haven't done many mountain paintings, so all right, let's do it. Okay, let's get back to the dilemma I was telling you about earlier. This whole lack of isopropyl alcohol, no more alcohol inks in my life, and guys, for the sake of all our sanity and my occasional horrible pronunciation, I will refer to isopropyl alcohol as IPA from here on out. First off, let's dial back about 4-ish months ago when I first started dabbling with inks. By mere chance, I was gifted a bottle of IPA, and it was 99%, which is what you need. 91% or higher to activate the inks enough, get them to move around the surface that you're working on. At that time, though, I couldn't find any more in the stores I was looking at, but actually I wasn't looking so hard, so I wasn't very concerned at all. At this point, you're asking yourself, what is this person talking about? IPA is everywhere. Yes, everywhere but Cambodia. That is where I'm living right now. For the first while, I wasn't looking very hard for the IPA, but my precious bottle was going down and down. It was on. I looked everywhere. Those of you who are familiar with developing countries know that you can't just get anything and everything at the drop of a hat. We don't have Amazon. We don't have Costco. I don't even have a proper address to order things here, guys. It's a different ballgame. And shipping, just remember, IPA, it's a dangerous goods, flammable liquid. Things were beginning to look grim. When all my options were exhausted, I decided the wise course of action would be to give up alcohol inks. This was just last week. So I just wanted to interrupt my story and just mention, if you have made it this far, if you're enjoying the video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Even better, consider hitting the subscribe button. This lets me know that you want to see more and that you want to be updated. Interacting with this video also helps YouTube know that they should show others my video, so it's a win-win. For all my new subscribers, by the way, welcome. welcome, welcome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. So let's get back to this IPA shortage problem. Obviously, I'm working with inks still, so something changed. Something did change after I decided, nope, I'm giving them up. Again, all these weird things happen by mere chance. Somebody sent me a link to this teeny tiny hole-in-the-wall company that at first told me no, they would not order it in. But later, here it is. They ordered it in. They had to get it from Thailand and they shipped it in. I tried to do that. I found a company in Thailand, but they wouldn't send it to me. So guys, I am still in a business. Just kidding. I'm still going to be dabbling. That's all. Anyways, here is the end product, the end painting. Let me just point out some of the things that I don't like. If you look in the center, some of the inks did bleed onto the acrylic paint, which just tells me that I should probably seal the alcohol inks before I put acrylic on top. I mean, that's probably a no-brainer for anybody experienced, but that's the situation. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different than some of my other ones. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Share this video with any of your friends that you think might enjoy, and stay tuned because I have so many more things that I want to show you. Bye!